Okay, good day guys, good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A gentle reminder as always to please like the video and subscribe to the channel as it is a free way to support the channel. So guys, quick updates. For starters, Leon Bailey has been included in a Europa League top performer of the season formation. Right, so Leon Bailey has been included in they posted a 4-4-2 formation, right? And this formation was inclusive of the top performers of the 2020-2021 Europa League season. And Bailey, of course, had a very good Europa League season, scoring 5 goals and 2 assists. And also, interestingly enough, he led the Europa League in attempts on target. Overall, for the entire Europa League season, he had 16 shots on target, right? Which meant that he topped the attempts on target chart for the Europa League 2020-2021 season, despite an early exit. Right, you guys know that Bayer Leverkusen had a surprising early exit, right, to young boys from Switzerland, right, in the round of 32. So despite the early exit, Leon Bailey still managed to rack up some good stats. 5 goals, 2 assists, and leading the Europa League in attempts on target with 16 attempts. Secondly, big shout out to Kemar Roofe. Kemar Roofe's goal against Standard Liège was voted the Europa League goal of the season, which is a big deal. If memory serves me right, he is the second. I know of 2. I know of 1 reggae boy previously, right? I know of 2 now that have won this award. If you recall, a couple of seasons ago, Leon Bailey won this award for a goal that he scored for Genk against Vienna from Austria, I believe was the team. And so Kemar, Kemar Roofe is a soon-to-be reggae boy, right? He's making his way into the program very shortly. Passport and everything sorting out. So we'll expect to see him very soon. So we can say he's one of our own at this point in time. So he is the second reggae boy that I know of that has won this award, the Europa League goal of the season. Man, what a goal it was. Won the ball about midway zone half, right? And took on about 2 to 3 Liège players, got past all of them, and then, took an impressive shot from the halfway line, right? That caught the keeper off guard, and the keeper wasn't on his line, and the keeper was desperately trying to get back but couldn't get back in time. It was a brilliant goal from the halfway line, man. Brilliant goal, man. Just everything about it. He won the ball midway zone half, took on about 3 Liège players, got past all of them, right? There was physicality involved as well as skill, and he took the shot from about the halfway line off balance, right? He took the shot off balance because he ended up falling, right? Looked up, saw the keeper, went for it, and it was a waterlogged pitch. And overall it was just a very good goal, man, given the all the elements of the goal and also the conditions that the goal was scored in. So congrats to Kemar Roofe. He has had a very good season with Rangers, man. Invincible with Rangers. Scored about 14 goals in the Scottish Premiership, and he didn't play all the games. If he had played all the games, he would have probably gotten closer to 20. Right, missed a number of games for a number of reasons. So his season, has been a very good season, right? And then also a big shout out to Alison Swaby as well, right? She won the Copa Italia, or Reggae Girl, right? Our reggae girl Alison Swaby for Roma won the Copa Italia with Roma. Right, so that is a pretty big deal as well. Big congratulations to Alison Swaby as well. So just a quick update on some successes from reggae boys and reggae girls. Some achievements rather, some bigger than others. Alison Swaby winning a title, that's a big deal. And also Bailey making the top performers team of the year for the Europa League, and obviously Kemar Roofe winning goal of the season in the Europa League is no joke as well. So that's it, guys. Stay safe, take care, and until next time.